versus Mandorial. Steal. Basket. 22-19. Start of the fourth and final quarter. JLP Movement. JLP Elite versus LSB Movement. Steal. Alma. By 56-49. 7-point lead by LSB Movement. For three, no good. Foul.
Second personal.
Bar. There's a foul. Number 2. Number 10 for 3. No good. Basket. And one. First throw by Oranio. Bonus shot direct. Basket. 53-56. 3-point ball game. Tatlo na lang ang abansa sa LSB Movement. With 8 minutes remaining in the ball game. Lay up, no good. There's a foul. Oranio. To Zolaybar. Lay up. Basket by Zolaybar. 56-55. Isa na lang ang abanse. The lead is down to 1. Suarez still recover. There's a foul by Tachado. First throw, no good. Last throw, 0 out of 2. Jafford. Number 10. No good. Oranio to Zolaybar. Basket by Zolaybar. Change favor to JLP Elite. 57-56. 9. It's an 11-0 run for the JLP Elite. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Rebound to Zolaybar still. That is out of bounds, stepping the line. LSB is scoreless in the fourth quarter. Upper basket by Suarez. That is a 59-56, 12-0 run for JLP Elite. For 3, no good. Rebound. Oranio to Zolaybar. Steal. There's a foul. Lagyapon, foul. For 3, no good. Wala pa rin. Still a drought era for LSB. Juarez making waves. Sulaybar out of bounds.
Out of bounds, LSB ball. Time out, Drew. Official score 59-56 in favor of JLP. Back to
Penalty situation. First throw. Basket. The drought has ended. Naka-story man. After 5 minutes. Last throw. 2 out of 2 by number 2. 59-58. The lead is down to 10. Isa na lang ang advances of JLP. It's 4 minutes remaining. Sulaybar, no good. Machado to Pradas, jumper, basket by Price. Pradas, balik sa LSB ang abansa, 60-59. Momentum has changed. Oranyo. Time to Suarez. Two. Zero to 2. Nice anticipation by number 2. 62-59. Lead it back to 3. Sulaybar, wala. Steal by Sulaybar to Oranyo, 1-on-1. Basket by Oranyo. 61-62. 3 minutes remaining in the ball game. For 3, long 3. No good. Agaw. Nakuha pa rin. There's a steal. Sulaybar. 3-1. Wala. Follow up. There's a foul.
penalty situation.
Last throw. Basket hits a tied ball game. Patas ang laban. 62-all. 2 minutes and 34 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. For 3. No good. Rebound by Juarez. Taking time. Basket by Sulaybar. 64-62. Last 2 minutes of the ball game.
Last 2 minutes.
Tinira, wala. Follow up. There's a foul. First pass, first throw, basket. 64-63. Last attempt. 2 out of 2 by Pradas. It's a tied ball game again. 64 all. Suarez. Kaya ang magbawagi Oranyo. Solaybar. Fires a 3. No good. One ng LSB. Chance for the lead. 1:22 remaining.
Can you shoot?
There's a steal. To Solaybar. There's a foul. Two bonus throw for Solaybar. First throw. No good. Final throw. Wala. 0 out of 2. Pero nakuha ni Suarez. Nasa kay Oranyo. 8 to shot. Suarez. 3 seconds. There's a foul in the 3-point line. First throw. Basket. Second throw. No good. Isa na lang. 1 point lead by JLP. 65-64. Final throw. Wala. There's a foul. Penalty. First throw. Basket. Patas ang laban. Last throw. The chance to take the lead. No good. 64 all. 65 all. With 43 seconds remaining. Suarez. For 3, Solaybar. Basket by Solaybar. 68. Basket. 68-67. 25 seconds remaining. Suarez. No good. Aqua. Pass break. Easy layup. Basket is good. Time out. JLP. The lead is back to LSB. 6 seconds remaining. Solaybar. Basket and lost. Oh, for Oranyo. 70-69. Point 3. Wow. Bonus throw by Suarez. Bonus shot. Three-point play by Suarez. Timeout, LSB. That's the end of the ball game. Winner, JLP. 71-69.